What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do a quick trade recap of the trade that I took today on AMD. Today's Thursday, March 26th, and I caught this nice little 1-to-1 risk to reward right here. And I was watching AMD as we approached our key level right here. I typically trade with an inside bar, outside bar, or gap fill strategy, and I'll link the video in the top corner over here if you want to watch it. And I caught this nice 1-to-1 right here. I saw that we were rejecting this key level and we inversed this bullish fair value gap right here on this candle. And what I was really wanting to see was a 1-minute uptrend into this bearish fair value gap before we then broke to the downside again. We never quite got that. If we scale down to the 1 minute, we never got an uptrend on the 1 minute, but we got a break of structure right here. It broke to the downside, and I went ahead and entered right here. I was hoping this would sort of pull back a little bit more, but it didn't look like we were going to get it. So I went ahead and entered here, and I simply targeted a 1-to-1 risk to reward here because I like consistency. I would much rather win 80% of the time than win massively like 10% of the time. You're going to feel much more confident in trading your strategy if you win often. So I went ahead and only targeted a 1-to-1. I only had one contract on this, unfortunately, so I did not hold any runners. What I typically do with my runners is once I reach this 1-to-1, then I go ahead and move my stop loss to break even, and I wait until we get a 5-minute candle close above the high of the previous candle, which none of these candles close above the high of the previous candle. So the runners would still be in play all the way down to here where we're at right now. Those runners would have been absolutely massive today, but we just have the one contract. You can't be mad about securing profits. And yeah, that was the trade today. So I'll see you in the next video. Click like, click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.